What's up, Faith Team? It's Sierra B, naturally, and this vlog is for Vlogtober day 17. What I'm going to be using to blow dry. So I've got my red, even though it's pink, blow dryer. That is my favorite blow dryer. It is, oh Jesus, I was going to take this attachment off for y'all, but oh, there we go. Okay, so it's the 2000 detangler gimmick, and it gets the job done. Okay, this attachment I bought separately, I think on Amazon. Miracle heat protectant spray as well, just to make sure I don't get no heat damage. Okay, so thank you for watching so far. The lip sync is off in some parts of this video, so I will be playing some music throughout, but I appreciate you bearing with me because the show must go on. Okay, I'm back. It's been about an hour. My hair fully blown out, so let's see what it's giving.